Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayu Ariska Prastiwi. You can call me Rizka. I am an English student department. Now I will explain the challenge and solution in teaching English at MA Salafiyah Pajarakan Kulon. English is one of the four subjects on the national exam, whether they want it or not, whether they like it or not. Students have to spend 3 years in middle school or high school to find out the extent of the English teaching and learning process. I will explain or tell a little about my teaching experience at MA Salafiyah. I have had various experience related to teaching English with students who have a different background, both from an economic, social, and cultural perspective. In this case, it also has a big influence on the types of obstacles that arise, and lack of motivation can also be an obstacle for students in learning English, as well as influence of the environment around where they live, which is less supportive. The second obstacle is that many students consider English a difficult subject. This may be due to students' previous knowledge of English being minimal and the striking difference between English and Indonesian, especially in the pronunciation of vocabulary and sentence patterns used. So as a result, they tend to be passive and hesitant to try it. This is made worse when they pay less attention to the lesson during the teaching and learning process, in which they tend to chat with their classmates and do other activities such as doodling, studying subject, and some even sleep. The solution to the problem above is that I suggest to students to always try to speak English with their closest environment, for example with their classmates, parents, or other family members. Practice can start with small things, such as asking about subject in the school environment or at home. Remember, language is habit. If we are normal, then we will be in a comfortable position when they have to speak English, and convince them that English is not difficult as I think if there is a desire, then everything will be easy. Maybe it's because of a lack of knowledge and not reading books about English, so they have difficulty understanding what the teachers say and have difficulty understanding the reading. In this case, we provide students with an understanding of the importance of reading. So, we encourage and guide students to read diligently in learning English at MA Salafiyah. I also apply the think, pair, share method to make it easier for them work on English and ask each other question among their group friends and exchange ideas to solve a problem in the assignment they are working on. Maybe students always read the English book, writing, and maybe try to speaking English. So just this I can deliver to you. Thank you very much for your nice attention. And last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.